For sanctioning bodies, I think it would be good to, number one, liaison with the government and talk to them the benefits of motorsport and how motorsport can advance energy security via use of alternative fuels and alternative propulsion, and also continue its role as a tool to develop manpower, human capital. Definitely, for those who have participated in motorsport and have to rely on their mechanic, without mechanics, it would be a doubly or a triply difficult pastime to pursue without having our kuya mechanicos help us out preparing our cars before the race and also helping us fix our cars during the motorsport events. Mechanics that are renowned and have experience in motorsport tend to secure higher level jobs, higher income jobs, both here in the country and also abroad. So therefore, I would really suggest that